You'll probably want to unmute, or are we on the Jabra?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll just keep myself muted then.
So I'm recording.
Oh, great. Okay, so welcome to the latest sprint on the Parker project. We released version 1.7.0 this morning that had a couple of bug fixes and a new feature that we'll mostly talk about. It's in the process of indexing at the moment, so I wasn't able to show it today. So the first thing that I'll show is that we made an update to the responsive behavior of our search results. As you can see, for smaller screen sizes, we kind of have a better display than we had previously. I'll kind of just jump through kind of a couple of different screen sizes here, and just to show kind of the updated behavior. So particularly at smaller screens, that was not doing particularly well, and it's been now improved. We also updated Spotlight, which primarily did two things for us. There had been a bug where if somebody had a browse category embedded in a widget on any page, and then subsequently changed the name of that browse category, it would cause an error when clicking on the edit button for that particular page. We addressed that upstream in Spotlight and updated our version of Spotlight to give us that fix. And so now the exhibits that were not able to edit those pages can get to their edit screens. We also addressed an issue upstream with a responsive issue with browse category titles. And how they were truncated. I didn't have a good example to show, but if anybody was having that issue, that will be addressed now. The other thing that we're kind of currently in the process of indexing to get support for is related annotations identified in the IIIF manifest. So say, for instance, the Parker exhibit, if I go into the dashboard, this is some work that had happened previously in a previous sprint, but now that we have the ability to define this custom manifest URL pattern, when we are indexing, we will go and check that manifest URL for associated annotations. And if there are annotations, we will go ahead and index those as basically kind of page level objects. So as you can see, we've kind of currently are in the middle of processing a big reindex of the Parker exhibit to try to get just to start indexing those annotations, and that didn't end up finishing before the demo time, but it's chugging along. So expect to see annotation support, and our next kind of sprint will probably revolve around improving the display and behavior of the page level objects.